everyone, good morning. Today I will explain theorem 10.6 and 10.7. In theorem 10.6 it is given that equal chords of a circle or equal chord of two congruent circles are equidistant from the center. Let AB and CD are two equal chords of a circle with center O. Now we are to prove that AB and CD are in equal distance from center O. That is, OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD. We are to prove that OM is equal to ON. We measure the distance from a point to a line by drawing perpendicular from the point to the line. So when we draw OM perpendicular to AB, that is, from O, distance of AB is OM. Similarly, ON is perpendicular to CD, so distance from O to CD is the shortest distance, that is ON. Now we draw OB and OD. We take two triangles OMB and OND. This is in triangle OMB and OND, OB is equal to OD because they are radii of the same circle. Angle M is equal to angle N. Both are 90 degree. Since earlier we get a theorem that perpendicular drawn from a center to a chord bisect the chord. So MB is equal to half of AB and ND is equal to, similarly ND is also half of CD because ON bisect CD and OM bisect AB. Since given that AB is equal to CD, therefore half of AB is equal to half of CD. Therefore MB is equal to ND. By RHS, right angle both are 90 degree, hypotenuse OB and ON equal, OD equal, and MB is equal to ND equal. By RHS, these two triangle congruent, and by CPCT, OM is equal to ON. This is the proof of 10.6 theorem that equal chords are equidistant from the center. Next, converse theorem of 10.6 that equidistant chords are equal. Equidistant chords are equal. That is, OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD, and this time given that OM is equal to ON, we are to prove that AB is equal to CD. In 10.6, it is given that AB is equal to CD. We have to prove that OM is equal to ON. In this 10.7 theorem, distances are equal. We have to prove chords are equal. That is, AB is equal to CD. Again, we draw OB, OD. Now we take these two triangles OMB and OM, OND. OB is equal to OD. Why? Because they are radii of the same circle. And given that OM is equal to ON, distances are equal, equidistant chords, and angle M is equal to angle N, both are 90 degree. Therefore, OMB is equal to OND triangle. By RHS, right angle M is equal to N, hypotenuse OB is equal to OD, and one side OM is equal to OD. So, by RHS, these two triangle is congruent. Therefore, by CPCT, what is the full form of CPCT? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. MB is equal to ND. CPCT we get MB is equal to ND. Therefore, twice of MB is equal to twice of ND. Twice of MB, since perpendicular drawn from a center to a chord bisect the chord, OM bisects, so OM bisect AB. Therefore, AM is equal to MB. Twice of MB means AB. Similarly, twice of ND is equal to CD. Therefore, since we proved that MB is equal to ND, therefore, twice of MB is equal to twice of ND, therefore AB is equal to CD. For today, next day we will do another theorem. Thank you for today.